So high protein, high fat, and cheese is the flavor, but sometimes it's also the melt, like pizza, right? You pull, they're very nice, or mozzarella sticks, they're very nice pull. The most, I think, successful or consumer accepted plant-based cheeses is actually the this one here, which has, you can see, very high carbohydrate content, very high fat, but the protein content is actually very little because you're depending on the carbohydrates, the starches, the modified starches to actually give that pull or that texture in there. So for such products, because the protein content is actually quite low, you may not actually need much taste masking. But if you use a nut cheese, so nut cheeses, you like say almond for example, you have very high protein content in there. So you formulate a nut cheese, then yes, you probably need taste masking to resolve that challenge. Nut cheeses also have texture challenges, color challenges as well. So that is why we see more of this type, the high carbohydrate, low protein, plant-based cheeses being more popular in the market. Although as over the years, I think as we work together, we gradually improve the quality of the plant-based cheeses that has high protein content. So again, this is a model formulation that we have where we have basically high fat, high starch, as you can see. Right. So again, the solution we propose will be really adding a cheese flavor to it, something cheesy, mozzarella, cheddar, to give it that characteristic for the consumers. And of course, if you need to make it a little bit yellow with a yellow colorant or beta carotene, that can be done too. Okay. So in summary over here, add on is that we have a wide range of customizer, aroma, taste, and color solutions. We actually look at the plant-based sauces, the different beans, legumes, and grains, how they are actually being converted into ingredients, and we actually are familiar with plant-based meats in terms of the dry textured vegetable proteins, high moisture, and how they are made into the final ready-to-eat products. So we are familiar with that. If you still are interested in that, you can talk to us. But like we've been talking about this past half an hour, we're also very familiar with the dairy alternatives, the different applications, the different maybe aroma and taste solutions, and color solutions for them as well. Okay. Yeah. So I think I can speak a lot, I can talk a lot, introduce ideas, but seeing is believing, tasting is believing. So again, we'd like to invite you. Our booth is at M26, just outside this seminar hall. So we have a wide range of products for you to try. So we do have our plant-based milks. We have a pea milk, a pistachio milk, and a hazelnut milk with different flavors and taste masking. So please feel free to try. Let us know, give us your comments, your feedback, whether it's positive or improvements. Feel free to share, because I think by engaging and discussing, we can then take this market further, so we can give consumers more choices out there and continue to improve. Okay, so with that, I think we're K.H. Roberts, we're Crafting Future Flavors, and thank you for attending this technical seminar. Sorry, I think we've overrun a little bit, so I think we need to step out. But if you'd like to have more questions, then please feel free to engage us at our booth that's just outside. Thank you.